Hello dear students, how are you all? Hope so you all are fine and well. So yes students, today we are going to learn a new topic from your general English course, that's your grammar book. So let us see the new topic. Assignment 14, the topic named abstract noun. As we have earlier studied in a very low classes, that's from 3rd, 4th, 5th, we are going studying the same things, noun. Now we are having abstract noun. So what does this abstract noun means? So an abstract noun, as we have already seen, is usually the name of a quality, an action or a state. अच्छा, so what does this abstract noun means? इज़ यूजली द नेम ऑफ क्वालिटी. मतलब कि क्वालिटी क्या है, जो ह्यूमन बींग की जो क्वालिटी होती है, उसके एक्शंस होते हैं, स्टेट्स होते हैं, दिस ऑल आर कॉल्ड एन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. सो फ्रॉम एग्जाम्पल वी कैन गेट क्लियर. क्वालिटी जैसे कि हैविंग काइंडनेस, क्रूएलिटी, ब्राइटनेस, दिस ऑल कम्स इन क्वालिटी. नाउ व्हाट डज एक्शन मीन्स? Action means verb, acting verb, means laughter, theft, robbery, this all are called actions. And state, what does this state mean? State in the sense कि जैसे childhood, kingship, youth, this all are state. So in this abstract noun we have to use quality, action or state. A quality, an action or a state. So here in exercise 1 we have to use this proper abstract noun, and the options are given above in the list. So according to that options we have to write the correct abstract noun. So let us fill the first one. What's the first filling the blanks? The first filling the blanks we are having over here, that is we must always speak the truth. अब ये truth क्या है? That is quality. Again it's a quality. We must always speak the truth. मतलब हमें हमेशा सच बोलना चाहिए. So again truth here is a quality. Now the second one, honesty is the best policy. Again honesty क्या है? Quality है. So honesty is द बेस्ट पॉलिसी. ठीक है. सो अबव हमें ऊपर यहाँ पे एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन दिए गए हैं, उसमें से ही हमें चूज करके इस पे लिखने हैं. होप सो यू आर क्लियर विद दिस टू ऑफ दिस ब्लैंक. नाउ लेट अस गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट पेज. द थर्ड वन गिवन ओवर हियर, दैट इज द थेफ्ट वॉज कमिटेड लेट इन द नाइट. मतलब चोरी कब हुई थी? नाइट में. नाउ दिस थेफ्ट इज अ action, so it's an action done over here. Now in the fourth one, the childhood passed in the great happiness. यहाँ पे fourth one में childhood again it's a childhood is a state. ठीक है. So in the fourth one, his childhood passed in great happiness. मतलब उसका childhood बहुत ही खुशी से पास ऑन हुआ था. ना फिफ्थ वन, प्रिवेंशन इज नेक्स्ट टू गॉड लैंड. मतलब कि गॉड के पास सॉल्यूशन इज द नेक्स्ट टू गॉड लैंड. गॉड के पास हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ सॉल्यूशन, निवारण रहता है. तो दिस प्रिवेंशन इज एक्शन. द सिक्स्थ वन, द ट्रैफिक पुलिस हैव टेकन स्टेप्स for the cleanliness of road accident. Again cleanliness here. The traffic police have taken steps for the cleanliness. It's a action of the word accident. Now the seventh one, the Jawan was rewarded for his bravery. Bravery again it's a quality. The Jawan was rewarded for his bravery. 8. Mother Teresa was given the Nobel Prize for Peace. Mother Teresa was given the Nobel Prize for Peace. It's a quality. Ninth one, They were great friends. Their ideal friendship became the talk of the town. यहाँ पे friendship, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? friendship. They were great friends. वो लोग अच्छे दोस्त थे और उनकी friendship टाउन में एक चर्चा सी बन गई. Their ideal friendship became the talk of the town. Hope so you're clear with this 9 of this blank. So let us move on towards the second exercise. Here in the second exercise, exercise 2, filling the blanks with abstract nouns opposite in meaning to those that are underlined. अच्छा, यहाँ पे जो हमें abstract noun दिए गए हैं उसके हमें opposites लिखने हैं. We have to write the opposites of the abstract noun given over here, which are already been underlined. जो underline किए गए abstract noun है उसके हमें यहाँ पर opposite meanings we have to write over here. So let us see the exercise. First one, wealth gains friends and poverty tries them. Wealth gains friends and poverty tries them. अच्छा, here wealth का opposite here it is poverty. ठीक है, obviously wealth means धनिक, poverty means गरीब. Second, violence and non-violence cannot live together. Violence and non-violence can't live together. Here the opposite of violence is non-violence. ठीक है, violence और non-violence दोनों एक साथ नहीं रह सकते. The third one, Abraham Lincoln loved human freedom and so he abolished restriction. Abraham Lincoln loved human freedom and so he abolished restriction. Abraham Lincoln को क्या पसंद थी? ह्यूमन की फ्रीडम, इसलिए उसने जो रेस्ट्रिक्शन थे उसको एबोलिश किया, उसको नाबूद कर दिया. सो फ्रीडम इज द ऑपोजिट ऑफ रेस्ट्रिक्शन और रेस्ट्रिक्शन इज द ऑपोजिट ऑफ फ्रीडम. द फोर्थ वन, he did not care either for praise or for criticize. He did not care either for praise or for criticize. praise मतलब कि किसी को हम प्रेज करते हैं, किसी की हम तारीफ करते हैं, और क्रिटिसाइज क्या होता है? किसी की निंदा करना. सो प्रेज, ऑपोजिट ऑफ प्रेज इज क्रिटिसाइज. फिफ्थ वन, एवरीवन लव्स स्मार्टनेस एंड हेट्स फुलिशनेस. ऑब्वियसली सबको स्मार्टनेस पसंद होती है एंड एवरीवन हेट्स फुलिशनेस. सो स्मार्टनेस इज द ऑपोजिट ऑफ फुलिशनेस. The sixth one over here, we are caught in a cycle of life and death. Life का opposite death. Life और जीवन और मृत्यु के साइकिल में हम सब लोग, उस चक्कर में हम सब लोग जुड़े हुए. We are caught in a cycle of life and death. Seventh one, modesty will be rewarded by immodesty will be punished. Modesty will be rewarded but immodesty will be punished. Modesty मतलब कि नम्रता होना, हम लोग में जो नम्रता होती है. Modesty will be rewarded और immodesty will be punished. So modesty, opposite of modesty over here, that is immodesty. Again modesty मतलब कि नम्रता, immodesty मतलब शर्मजनक कुछ हम एक्शन करते हैं उसको बोलते हैं. सो अगर हम modesty मतलब नम्रता से बिहेव करेंगे तो ऑब्वियसली हमें रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा, और immodesty मतलब कुछ शर्मजनक, कुछ ऐसा गंदा करेंगे तो उसके लिए हमें पनिशमेंट मिलेगी. एट्थ वन, ऑल लव ब्यूटी एंड हेट अगली. ऑब्वियसली सबको ब्यूटी पसंद है और हेट अगली. ठीक है. सो द ऑपोजिट ऑफ द एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स वी हैव टू राइट ओवर हियर. अगेन रिवाइजिंग इट क्विकली. ऑपोजिट ऑफ वेल्थ, poverty, violence, non-violence, freedom, restriction, praise, criticize, smartness, foolishness, life, death, modesty, immodesty, beauty, ugly. Is it clear to you? Wealth, opposite of wealth, poverty. Violence, opposite of violence, non-violence. Freedom, opposite of freedom. Opposite of freedom, restriction. Opposite of praise, criticize. Opposite of smartness, foolishness. Opposite of life, death. Opposite of modesty, immodesty. Opposite of beauty, ugly. So students, hope so you are clear with the topic abstract noun, and also very clear with your exercise 1 and exercise 2. So please students, do note down in your notebook, again and again saying, please students, do note down in your General English course. Hope so you are clear with the topic today we have gone through, and also clear with exercise 1 and 2. So again saying, do note down in your notebook. Till that, stay happy and healthy at home. So thank you.